Good day. We're having a short video about Microsoft Excel, specifically the name of its part and the basic Excel math operation. I have here an open Excel. So, as described, Microsoft Excel is a member of a spreadsheet family of software. Spreadsheets allow you to keep track of data, create charts based from data, and perform complex calculations. It stores information in columns and rows. You can have up to 256 rows and 265,536 rows per worksheet. This part here is what we call the working area. This one, the window of Microsoft Excel, is what we call the working area, in which it is composed by the active cell. This one. This is the active cells. The one that are arranged in number are what we call the rows. This one. And the one that is arranged in letter name is what we call the column. So this one. Cell address is this one, the formula bar, the title bar. The title of this one is the book one. The sheet tabs, this one, these are the sheet tabs. The scroll bar, the vertical scroll bar, and the horizontal scroll bar. And one is also the status bar here. And the tabs, here are the tabs. So now that we already know the basic parts of MS Excel, we now ready to have the basic math Excel operations. These are the arithmetic operations. So first is how to add in MS Excel. First, in adding, just like this one. So in cell A1, so cell A1, I want to type here name, this one. In cell B2, I want to type test 1, and cell 2 is cell 1 is test 2, and in D1 is total. So we have it. Then in cell A2, I want to type the name of the student, for example, this one, the test score of the student. I want 13 here and 16 here. So in total, to add 2 or more numbers, or you need to have enter a formula. So type the formula directly to the cell. This one. This is the cell starting with an equal sign. This equal sign will tell us that we are not entering a data. So for instance, to add this one and this one, you could click cell data, this one, and where you want to calculate the result to appear. So type here equal sign, then just click B2 plus sign and C2. So you have it, just and press enter key to see the result. There you have it. Now we already know how to add in MS Excel. So now we're going to have a subtraction. So just like in addition, subtraction is just like this one. So I want to add here one name, just like this one. You can drag it. So, and the score is 14, and I have here 15. No, I want to type here 20, and this one is 12. So I want to minus here test 1 and test 2. So just like what we did in addition, we need to have a equal sign and just click B3, then have a dash for dash is for the subtraction, then click this cell C3 and press enter to see the result. Okay, 8 is the result. And after knowing the subtraction, now go to multiplication, in which just like this one is the process. So we need to add one student here. I want to have your score like this one. So in order to get the result, we need to have an equal sign, just like in addition and subtraction, and just click B4. And in multiplication, the operation is asterisk. This one, it is the symbol of multiplication in Excel. So, and after that, click C4 and press enter. So 3 times 12 is equal to 36. Now that we are now we're done in multiplication, in addition, subtraction, and in multiplication, there is only one operation in arithmetic that we're not yet done. So it is the division. So now I want to add more student here, just like this one. Underscore here and here. So just like the 3 operations that had done, just press equal sign and press B5 with easy. And in division, the operation is the slash, and just after the slash, this is for the symbol of division. Then click C5, and there you have it, B5 divide C5. So just press enter key, and there you have it. These results you can add many more results in these columns. Here you can add more, and you can add more information in these rows, in the cells, in the source criteria if you want. Just type your formula, or you can have this like this one. You can have your formula type in the formula bar. Like for example, you want to have a average. So in average, just like equal sign, type D2, then divide it by how many items does your test have. So if I have 35 items, just like this one, so just enter like this one. So now I have the average, but it is not in grade form. So it's just an average. So you can have that times multiplied by 100, and there it goes. The average is 82, and you can drag in that one. This your pointer. Point your pointer here in small box and drag that one to the bottom. And okay, after dragging, you can get all the results like this one. You get the result in average. But as what you can see, there is 22, 102, and 8.5 here, because in total D3 we use minus subtraction here. In cell D4 we use multiplication here, and in cell D5 we use division here. You can have the result just like this one. You can replace it. So, and you can replace the operation just like what we did this one. We can drag it just like this one. We can drag, and so, okay, there you have it. We have now the results in plus sign. So as we change the total, the average also changes. So that's how Excel work. That's how much Excel do. So I just want to add how to sort your names here, because your names here are not alphabetically arranged. So I just want to add more to how to sort your names. So just press this first name and just go on at the cell 85. So just right click here, sort. You can have the sort A to Z or sort Z to A. So you can have this one. Okay, sort. And there it goes. You have now a alphabetically arranged names. So you don't need to worry if you enter name with not alphabetically arranged, because you have a sort. So as this one is alphabetically arranged, this one also changes. You can also sort this one if you want. You have these from smallest to largest and from largest to smallest. So I want to have sort largest to smallest. Sort, and there it goes from largest to smallest. And this one from, I want to color it with this one to fill it with this color. After this one, you have to drag and sort, custom sort here. Yes, here in test 2. So test 2, sort on cell color. So in test 2, you can see here the red and yellow colors. So I want to sort it by red on top, and the bottom is on, and the bottom is the yellow one. So I just to click it, and there it goes. The red one is in the top and the yellow one are in the bottom. So I hope you learned something from what we have just tutor about. So just practice in Excel, and I know you can do all of these stuffs like this one, like what I have tutored you. So thank you, and once again, good day everyone.